Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Guys, we're on my dining table. I'm going to change the cover because the previous one is very old and dirty already. Even if I keep on wiping and cleaning, it's still dirty looking, so I'm going to change the cover with a new wallpaper. I'm just using a wallpaper, guys. This was the previous one. There are lots of scratches already, so we're going to change it with the new one. A minute, guys. I will just use this color. The previous wallpaper, which is white, easily gets dirty looking, so I will just use another design and color. I will just peel the back of pepper and stick on our table. Hello guys, we will continue. We will just pull the backing paper. So easy, guys. We will cut the excess. Turn to other side. We will just smooth like that, guys. Oh, I want to correct the lines. we'll repeat. Because there is a line, guys. We have to put it in line with the other one. Okay. Ay! Was a little with the cut. Okay, guys. Finish. Oh, there's bubble. Bubble on the side. Accordingly, guys, if after your work there is an air inside, just like this, we can prick it with a needle so that the air will be released. Boknay. Boknay. Hey guys, now our table is better looking than the previous one. Guys, you can use wallpaper for our table. Wallpapers are PVC and it's not easily damaged or wet. It's washable, guys. For example, if there are stains on your table, you can wash it and the material won't get damaged. Guys, now the table is more beautiful this time. Okay. Thank you for watching, guys. We're just doing a DIY, do it yourself for our home. It's not necessary that we should buy expensive materials. We can just use wallpaper, and as the time goes by, we can change its color or design and enjoy again a beautiful dining with low-cost materials. Thank you for watching, guys. This is about putting wallpaper on our table in order to enjoy a better looking dining table compared to the previous one, which looked like a dirty one. So we will just change them with wallpaper. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos and tips. Oh, my cat is ready too. What is he planning? Psst! Buknoy! Oh, he's very good and listen to my call and hit again. Thank you again, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Buknoy! Baba! Down! He understand. Thank you, guys, again. For more videos, please subscribe for more videos. Like and hit that notification bell to get updated with every tips we could share to improve our home at low cost at our own do-it-yourself ways. We can save. We did not spend expensive things for our home. If we could see that's nice, that's enough. Thank you for watching again. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Thank you.